What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil. Starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? And price is nicely moving in the direction we have been predicting from last couple of days, and now we are right inside the anchor level. That was clearly mentioned yesterday that we have a good chance the price will retest this level. Now for me, we are bearish at this point. Price is pushing down since here and now hit this anchor level. Now at this point we do not have any sort of bullish condition. In case you're wondering, that is not one of my valid bullish condition. Yes, if the price, let's say, pushes down more inside the zone and form a clear bullish engulfing pattern, must engulf the previous candle with the wick, that would be good. If not, weak entry. But let me tell you, it is not a valid condition. For now we are still waiting for the price to either form some sort of good pattern, good bullish engulfer. If we have that, I'm going to keep you guys informed as well. You can always email me to double check your entries with me. Now either that, otherwise once we have a good momentum, we are broken below these wicks and price just pushes down and we have no condition. In that case, I'll just start to look for my pullbacks, pullback and then bearish engulfer. Like I mentioned yesterday, I'm only gonna go short and keep on taking short term only. So that is what I'll be looking at. We are still in an uptrend. If we look here, the price is still trading inside the channel right here, and with two touches, that makes it a valid trend support. So just to give you a good visualizations that as long as we are within this trend and this trend support, we are still not bearish. Now once we are completely broken below this trend support right here with a solid candle, then we can have a likely chance the price will retest and fall to this level that was already mentioned in my yesterday's video. Have these zones ready on your charts, and once we are broken below, I'm going to start to take my sell trades further. For now we had a condition here, we took sell. Now we exit and wait for the further condition, either a bearish trade, or if we have a push up without a condition, a bounce up, then double top trade. So for the complete continuation towards the upside, price must break above this high. We are overall in an uptrend long term. As you can see, we are above 50 and 20 EMA, so we can get a deep pullback before the price will start to push up. Price cannot push up directly, and continuously pullbacks are always expected out of the price. If you're looking at longer term perspective, pullbacks, and then price will likely to push higher. But for now, for the short term, I'll be looking at my possible sell trades with condition I've just mentioned. So either bullish engulfer can likely push the price higher, solid candle, otherwise broke below will be a condition for the price to push down to this level that was mentioned yesterday. Now here on Owanda, where I personally take my trades, price is still pushing down and we already have this level set right here. So here, simply if the price broke below this trend line, in that case I'm going to start to look at this level below that was again mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out. For now, I'm not looking for buy trades unless we are not broken above 50 EMA and possibly above this high, and then we're going to look for the next level. For now, I'm just looking for sell trades. If we have a break below with the momentum, then the pullback and pullback entry bearish. Or if you have a bounce from this trend line for the double top, in that case I will go short. Here on the trend line, if the bullish engulfer forms, that will be a general signal the price will then bounce up from here. So keep an eye, these are the conditions I'll be looking at. Here on EMEX, exactly same. We are now retesting the anchor level. No bullish condition as of yet. So exactly the same. We are still in an uptrend and trading between this channel. Here on EMEX, if you're looking at that. So for now, if we are broken below this anchor, then we're going to start to look for the pullback entry bearish till we are in the zone which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. For now, we're getting a bearish cross as well, means we have a bearish pressure and price can likely to push down. First this trend line, then broke below this area, but in general we are short-term bearish unless and until I see a good bullish condition here, or if we have a good bullish condition here in my anchor trend continuation support. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at. We are not taking buy trades for now unless we are not broken above 50 EMA and this high as well. Keep an eye, only bearish trades with conditions only. Next up we have gold. Now we have broken below as mentioned yesterday, that the trend will confirmed once we are broken below the channel. Now that is what we call patience, and now let's say we have entered somewhere here blindly, that would be just a pain. Now we have a confirmation that price has broken below, and now once this candle is closed, now very important, this candle must close as a solid candle, not just a wick, but I want to see the body to close below this little channel. Now once we have closed below, we are only looking at pullback entry bearish till we are in my zone below, right here, from where I'll start to look for my aggressive entries or my double bottom entry pattern. We have some good and major news events coming up, and looking at that, we can see some good movements out of price. But looking at technical signals, I'm expecting a price now to push down to my level below, from where I'm going to start to look for my bullish trades. I'll keep you guys informed once we are near to this level, which I'm going to give you in my upcoming videos. For now, only bearish trades till we are here. And let this candle close first, which is very important. Next up, we have silver. Now, it is something I've been repeating from last 2 to 3 videos, actually the whole week, that we are bearish for silver, as we had a double top here, first top here, and second top right here. That is why it was a signal that price is going to push down. And this was a report sent to my members as well. It is something I'm going to leave for the weekend's video, and crude oil as well. We had some interesting situation. But at this point, we are retesting this anchor level. Expect some bounce from here. But for me, I would like to see clear bullish engulfing pattern. If we have that in this area, that will be a short-term bounce, then a continuation downside, which is what I'm expecting out of silver. So keep an eye. It is something I'll be looking at for silver. A little bounce. If we have that, good for the scalp. And if you have a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, I'm gonna go short. The next support for silver is right down here, which is quite far, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos. For now, we need to break below 50 EMA on daily for the price to head to this level. Next up, we have crude oil. Now, it was something that was mentioned clearly in my yesterday's live session with my members, and it is something I'm going to leave for the weekend's video, how we predicted that price is now going to push down from here. But let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. As you can see, 50% entry has been triggered. It is something very risky. Again, if you're a risky trader and want to take a risk, it's totally up to you. For me, I would enter right at the 50% to keep my stop loss below, and take profit can be 1.618 retracement. That looks something like this for the bigger target. That is 1.4 to 1 reward to risk ratio, all perfect. So as you can see, the price is nicely pushing up, and if you're someone who want to manage it till 1.618 retracement, that's totally up to you. It is an area I'm expecting a price to head to, which is 1.618 retracement here on this platform. Now, if you're someone who's not an aggressive trader, if the price forms a deep pullback to 50 EMA, forms a bullish engulfer, that will be a less aggressive entry, and I will go long using 1 to 2 ATR for my target. Perfect. So we were already waiting for the price to hit 50%, nicely hitting 1.618 retracement targets, and exactly from there, price pushed down. That was clearly mentioned to my members in my yesterday's live session, that expect a good push down from here. Now we are looking at this level, 72.24 goes up to 73.35. Once we are in this level and price forms a bullish engulfer, so double bottom, it is an area from where we can expect another big bounce. So keep an eye. The conditions are something I'll be looking at. Buy conditions is very important. No conditions, no entry. So once we have a condition within this green zone, I'm going to go long. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope to trade green. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.